So you're considering a wizard seeder. You might be wondering what are some of the kits that go on the wizard seeder, where do they go, and what they look like. Well, primarily what we most often get questions about is the double disc opener. You can see here it's a very straightforward but heavy-duty design, allowing this to be able to replace the shovel or the shoe that goes in here. This gets dropped out, and this is a replacement. This is really nice when you specifically are doing things like a bean or a corn plant where you want to plant a little bit deeper or have a little bit more material that you need to cut through that a shoe or shovel may not work as well. We also have a number of other kits that can go on. A scraper that would go on the back for the tire, so if it's getting soil that wants to get sticky or tied to the packing wheel. And we also have a closer system that allows you to close over your row, more specifically again for your larger seed plants that you're going to want to move some dirt back around the base of the row. In addition, we have the vacuum gauge or the vacuum seed cleanout kit, and also an ability to do 2 or 3 line seeds at the same moment. So that I mentioned in another video, and you can see those resources online here at tilmor.com. So if you're considering a good versatile vacuum planter for your operation that you do a variety of seeds and vegetables, check out the Wizard. I think you might find that it works well for you. Have a great day.